Welcome to our video on conductive underlays specially designed for electronic leak detection methods. Since 2016, Controlit Factory has been at the forefront of providing innovative solutions for electronic leak detection in various applications. Electronic leak detection methods allow to test the integrity of roofing and waterproofing membranes. In order to work accurately, the substrate directly under the tested membrane must be electrically conductive. Controlit conductive underlays fit the four compulsory requirements of a conductive substrate for ELD testing. They are highly conductive with an electrical resistance lower than 10,000 ohms. They provide an uniform coverage under the tested waterproofing to ensure accurate testing. They demonstrate extended durability and long-lasting conductivity for repetitive testing over the years. Finally, they fit seamlessly with different substrates and waterproofing technologies, without compromising the integrity of the system. Controlit underlays comply with ASTM standards for electronic leak detection methods and ensure accurate testing with various assemblies for the entire lifespan of the building. We will now introduce Controlit range of conductive underlays. Controlit GS is a conductive underlay made specially for application under bituminous waterproofing. With Fire Class A2S1D0, the waterproofing layers can be torched directly onto Controlit GS. Controlit GS single ply is a conductive underlay made specially for application under synthetic waterproofing, such as PVC, TPO, or EPDM. Not only does it provide the necessary electrical conductivity for electronic leak detection testing, it can also be used as separation layer. Controlit PK is a conductive geotextile developed for civil engineering application. It is a 300 grams geotextile, usually installed under synthetic waterproofing such as PVC, TPO, HDPE. It can be used to perform ELD testing on various projects such as landfills or water reservoirs. Last product of Controlit range is Controlit GSP. Controlit GSP is a conductive underlay made specially for application in swimming pools. Electronic leak detection can also be used in pools, and the conductivity principle still applies for accurate testing. Controlit conductive underlays can be used with both ELD methods. They provide the necessary return path for ELD testing with high voltage testing and low voltage testing. By including Controlit into your project, you are making sure you can use any ELD equipment and you can accurately test the integrity of your waterproofing at any given time. Thank you for watching our video on conductive underlays for electronic leak detection. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful for your projects. Build smart, use Controlit.